All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. We are here with Garrett Sondgerath of both Archon and Salient, and he's going to show some of the new Salient guns, but we're going to start with a gun that's been out for a little while called the GRY, and move forward to the new stuff. So, all right, please take us through it.
So going into the gray, first off, you notice we have a really unique color to this, so pretty cool gray-blue anodizing. Different. We came up with it and thought that this color really stood out. Going into some of the internals of it, so starting out with this handguard here, it's actually a quick detach handguard. You can push out this pin at the bottom and pull this lever out, and you can actually slide this whole entire handguard right off the front of the gun. Built into the front, we have our jailbreak. So this gun is pretty cool. This allows you to run your quick detach suppressor mount, but at the same point, when you're not trying to be quiet, you can then install our QD jailbreak, which turns your flash hider into a compensator. We run MBus Pro sights, and we have a pretty unique carrier that goes into the gun. So this is a one-piece solid carrier. There is no staking, no screws. You don't ever have to worry about anything coming loose on this gun.
What's the coating on the carrier?
So we do a 10 coating on the carrier, which gives it that gold look. We were actually the first ones to do a 10 carrier. And then going into the barrel, it actually runs this unique 14.5 intermediate gas length. So that's in between a mid and a rifle length. We do a 45-degree angle port on it, and what that does is make this gun extremely soft shooting. Outside of that, it runs BCM furniture and Geisley triggers.
Very cool. All right, so moving on to the new stuff.
The new stuff, yeah. So starting off, it is the GRY Lite. So this is basically a quick step down from the GRY Lite. One of the main features you'll notice is that it does not have the jailbreak. It will never accept the jailbreak, but internally it has the same rail system and same barrel that the GRY has.
So they both have a QD system.
Yes.
For taking the rail off.
So, and then the last feature...
So this is called the GRY Lite.
This is the GRY Lite. The last feature you lose on this one from the GRY is the Geisley trigger. We have a high polish mil-spec trigger that we use.
Yeah, and I tried the trigger out. It's pretty damn good.
Yeah, it is good for being mil-spec. So lastly, we jump into is the green. So the green's pretty cool because it comes in two different options. We designed this M-LOK rail, full-length M-LOK rail. It runs a Surefire comp as well. This time we run, instead of the gold carrier, we run a standard melanited carrier. It is not the one-piece one, so you do lose that feature.
Right.
But it still has the polished mil-spec trigger, a little bit different furniture as far as the safety selector goes, but everything else mimics it as far as the radiant charging handle and BCM furniture.
Very cool.
This is available too in a pistol form and a SBR form and 16-inch form.
What about these? Are these available?
These are only available in this one length, which is the 14.5 intermediate barrel.
Gotcha. Thank you very much, Garrett. Really appreciate it. We are at SHOT Show 2020, and you are watching DefenseReview.com.